Welcome to Fitz Factor, the show where you learn how to master the stock market with Dan Fitzpatrick, the stock market mentor. Dan is a savvy trader. He's featured regularly on Fox Business, CNBC, Investors Business Daily, and SiriusXM Radio. In this podcast, Dan shares his insights on trading, life, and attaining long-term success in the market.
This is just thinking about this. I was thinking about this earlier today. I'm generally a pretty chatty guy. I have a lot to say, and it seems like it's always the case. But during the day, I'm trading from home now. I don't do any office stuff anymore. There's no need for it. But so I'm home all day, and my wife's here a lot, and I find myself not really saying too much during the day. I'm just very, very quiet, and the reason I am very, very quiet is because I'm thinking. I'm thinking about the trades that I'm in. I'm thinking about the market. Of course, I'm thinking about, okay, well, what am I going to post in the forum? What am I going to put in the videos? Should I open any more positions? This and that and the other thing. But I'm thinking a lot about the actions that I am taking in my trading, and are they the right ones? Am I balancing the risk of missing out on money with the risk against, of losing money? Am I practicing what I preach? Am I telling you what I think is the best way to trade? And then am I also trading that way? Or am I doing something that's in conflict? In other words, am I walking the walk, or am I just talking the talk? How could I do this differently? Crap. Did I sell too much of that? Did I had a nice profit in it. I decided to take some profits, but did I take too much, or did I not take enough? Or why did I do that? Was that a good thing or a bad thing? Did I make a good decision here or a bad decision? Not really based on what the stock does subsequent to my decision, because you can't control that. But did I really have a good objective view of the stock and base my decisions and actions on that objective view? Or was I just itching to do something? Am I impatient today? Am I patient? Am I sluggish? Am I, something? There's a million things to be thinking about. And all of those things pertain to the weakest link in your trading chain, and that is you. So my suggestion is that you don't have to be obsessed with trading. God, I hope not. There's more to life than trading. But I really hope that you are focusing on becoming self-aware, because I'll tell you this, I'm going to leave you with this. I've been doing this for more than 25 years, and I'm a real information vacuum. I was editor-in-chief of the Law Journal. I loved the law. I still love the law. I just didn't really enjoy practicing it because I'm representing other people, and I'd rather be representing myself in a business. But I've always been hungry for knowledge, for personal growth, and all these other things. I have very, very solid and strong codes on things. I'm very, very very, very rigid in some aspects of how I live.
If you're getting value from this podcast, click the subscribe button and sign up for Dan's free daily videos at stockmarketmentor.com.
And so over the years, I have read so many books and taken so many courses on trading. I know all of the indicators cold. I know this and that. I know all of these different things. But I'm telling you this, and I'm telling it to you straight. I use virtually none of that to make money. I can teach it. I can talk about it. Put me in front of a crowd, and I can tell you talk 2 days about all the different aspects of trading and indicators, and the Kaufman volatility stock, or the volatility index, and all of these different things. But when it comes down to actually making money, I use very, very few techniques and tactics, and I'm happy with that, because that's the way it should be. Because what you want to do is become an expert trader. But becoming an expert trader does not mean being an expert at anything and everything. It means becoming an expert at the way you particularly like to trade, a way that resonates with you, a way that you can actually trade as you desire to trade. And then you get so damn good at that, you kind of look forward to getting up every day because it's another opportunity to trade well. So my suggestion is you do this. You don't have to trade like I trade. Find your own way, but stay on your path and focus only on that. You don't have to be an information whore. You don't have to know everything there is to know about the markets. At some point, listen to me, I'm giving you pearls here. At some point, you are going to have to draw a line and say to yourself, I have learned enough. Now I just need to get better at what I've learned. That is a bridge that you're going to have to cross from when you're just focusing on learning this, learning that, learning all of these different things, and instead saying, you know what? I've been exposed to a lot of things. I know what I like. I'm just going to focus on that stuff. Now let's go make some money. That's all I got for you today. I'll see you guys next time.
Thanks for listening to Fitz Factor with Dan Fitzpatrick. If you like this, then you'll love Dan's premium service at stockmarketmentor.com, where you can learn how to trade stocks, options, and cryptocurrencies. Click the link below and get access to real-time trading alerts, a community of traders just like you, and live training sessions each week. Get the trading edge that you need at stockmarketmentor.com.